We got a 2022 Kia K5 remote here. This is how you open it up to replace the battery. What you're going to want to do first is remove the door key that's down at the bottom here. There's a button you can push, and then you can pull the door key out. These can be kind of sticky sometimes, so you might struggle a little bit. You might have to pry on a little bit as you push the button. Okay, and once you get this out, we're going to pry the remote open. Now you can see that it splits in half using a small flathead screwdriver like this, and put it in this slot right here, this way, like this. I'm going to give it a little bit of a push, okay, until it cracks open like that. So be kind of gentle with it. There are these little fragile little plastic pieces in it, and you can just crack it open. On the one side here is where the battery is located. We'll just take it out. I'll show you what size it is. Battery size is a CR2032 battery. If you need one of these, there's a link in the description box and in the comment box where you can get one on Amazon. It's the correct size. I think you can get 2 of them for around $5, you know, prime shipped and everything like that. So, but when we stick it back in here, it's going to be the positive side facing down, the side with the writing down, and then we just get our cover and we just stick them back together. I like to start at the top, work on my way down. That's the easiest. You heard it snap together. You know you have it together correctly when the door key goes back in. Well, hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button for me. Leave me a comment if you could, and a thumbs up, and hope to see you again in another Kia video.